the other things I'll show you, info. This is where you're going to jump in on the gutter profile. You're going to just click on this pencil, change the name. You're also going to make sure, so to Marcus's point, in this case, High Chocolates is a chocolate shop, but you can have up to 10 categories. So,
well, okay, can I ask you about that, Bryan? Because
please.
when I was doing the new one, I could only have 3 categories, and none of them were bowling or entertainment. So we were forced to restaurant.
You were forced to restaurant, huh?
Oh, never mind. Sorry. I'm thinking
No,
of
no, no, no,
Facebook.
no.
I'm
Oh,
so
okay.
sorry.
Facebook. Yes. No, no, no. Facebook, the F word. Facebook. Yes. You can have you get up to 3 categories. Here you have up to
And they
10.
don't have bowling.
And on Facebook?
No.
No. Well, it just shows how in tune they are. They need to have bowling alley, even though it should be, of course, bowling center. And
Yeah.
then if you had event venue, and
Arcade, restaurant. Yeah.
arcade, video arcade, there you go. So you can add those. Having 10 doesn't mean that you just have this giant net. You're going to grab everybody in. Try to do up to 5 at most. 10, it's not going to help. So
Okay.
stay true to the main ones, and whatever your primary category is, that's what you're going to show up the most for.
Bowling. Yeah. Obviously.
Yep.
Does it
And
matter
then
what order we put those in?
just the primary one. The other ones, no, not really. They're all considered secondary categories. There's no prioritization as far as I know. Make sure your hours are up to date. Also, when you're in there and you're in this mode, you can add in extra hours. If you have certain things, happy hours, things like that, you can denote those, which is important. Like, let's say you do have happy hour. Now, if people are looking for happy hour near me, you show up because you denoted that to Google. When we click on add hours, of course, you're just going to pop those in. Phone number, which you just got, your website. This, because it's a confectionery business, they're showing menu and things like that. When you create the business profile for the restaurant, that's where you'll be able to add the menu link. Okay. Now you also have attributes. So from the business, sometimes it will show as women owned, Black owned, veteran owned, LGBTQ plus friendly.
Yes.
And then, yep, of course. And then you also want to see like if any of these attributes match what you guys offer. So are you wearing masks? Any of those things? What type of payments do you accept? Those are all things where someone might be searching for fun things to do near me that accept American Express. Funny enough, someone probably searches for that. If you choose the American Express attribute here, now you show up. If you have, wheelchair friendly entrance and handicap accessible bathroom, that's something people will be looking for too. So you'll click on attributes there. Then here's your description that I was talking about. So you have up to 750 characters. You want to make sure you put in that you're rebranded from the gutter. And that's the info tab. The last one that I'll show you, I'm going to show you 2 more. Sorry. I know I'm overwhelming you a bit here.
Keep going.
Deal with it. So reviews. Now, these guys haven't opened yet, so they don't have reviews. Let me go.
Well, we haven't opened yet either, and we have a 1-star.
Fabulous. That's good. It's all in how you respond to that review. So don't incite, don't give them any fuel for the fire. If it's something, I would just say we're not even open yet. So, but the thing is, that's on your new profile, right, Jay? On Buzz Social?
No, I'm sorry. That's on the Facebook page.
Will you stop it, please? Okay.
I know. I'm confusing it together. I apologize. You're going to edit that out.
No, I'm not. Just for that. So I'll look at reviews. The important thing about reviews is this: constantly collecting new reviews, because I want you to think about reviews as an IV, right? So we're giving life to our business. Reviews are going to give social proof that we're a fun place. You need a lot of social proof. That's what you thrive on. So reviews are one way to do it. A parent with 2 kids who's visiting family in Green Bay or friends or whatever, looking for an event, they're going to look at the reviews first and qualify or disqualify you if they want to go there, right? So it's not just a matter of collecting the reviews. It's also a matter of replying to the reviews. So these I just got yesterday, I haven't replied to, but every other one you'll see. In this case, a lot of these reviews are either our services or classes I offer, but I go in and respond, or the team responds to every single one. Why? Because again, you're showing Google you care, you're owning your reputation, and you're active in your business profile. More points, higher score. 2, people are looking. So that 1 star that you got, If you respond in a way that's prompt, professional, positive, and you don't give in to whatever they're saying, even though you're not open, then you're showing people that you're putting your best face forward, you care about the customer experience, and naysayers be damned, they can go away. Right? So my recommendation for you is, once you open, one thing that you might want to do is ask people that are really having fun, hey, can you pull out your phone and leave us a review? If you have friends and family that are coming in, experiencing for the first time the brand new experience that you're creating, have them leave a review. So what you want to do is try to get to 10, 15 reviews right off the bat, or get 10 or 15 new ones. Every month, since you have a very transactional business where they're only spending a little bit amount of time, you're counting on volume. You want to consistently be getting 10, 20 reviews every month, showing that you constantly are providing that experience. The last one that I'll show you, which I think is very important for you guys, are the photos. So photos can be photos of you in action. They could be the Green Bay photos, like the Packers that we just saw when they were bowling, that you're using because they were in the venue. It could be simple things, showing photos of the different rooms, show them from different points of view. Hey, take a photo of each of the games in your arcade. Take a photo of the dishes that you're serving in the restaurant. Take a photo of the staff. Take videos. You can upload 30-second videos. So just do a real once over of the arcade, of the pro shop, of any of those things. Take fun artistic. Marcus, you're artistic, so why don't you take some of those fun videos where it's like the perspective of the ball rolling down the alley and things like, or the lane, things like that. So we're trying to just show them all the different facets of this venue and why it's a fun, immersive experience. The more photos you're putting up, the more informational touch points you allow them to consider. And when people are making plans, or if they're buying something, Google found that the average online shopping journey is 140 informational touch points. The more photos you have, the more that they can click through and see, oh, okay, wow. Oh, wow. Look, he speaks. Wow, he can talk. Wonderful. Well, the more that they do that, the more that they're going to establish a rapport with you and want to go there and experience it for themselves.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.